Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and my page. My name is Margrette and today we're here at Choobi Choobi Oslob to feature their reopening, and they will be serving us a lot of their best sellers. So let's go and tour around Choobi Choobi Oslob and check out what they will be serving us today for lunch.
Hi mom, sir! Welcome to Choobi!
Please come and visit Choobi Choobi. I'm JJ.
JJ and Stan? Okay, of here, Choobi Choobi Oslob. Thank you so much for having us, sir.
Thank you.
Salamat. Sort ko. Hello ninyo mga staff. Asa mi pwede, ma'am? Hello. Asa mi pwede mag-sit down?
Dito lang ka, ma'am.
So hello everyone, Choobi Choobi Oslob is already open now for business. Here with me is Dylan Gray,
Hi guys!
kapangit,
Kanghel,
Angel, Mike Piloton, and also si Ma'am Bim. Giapas nami. So manood sa mi guys, mga nami. So they were actually they closed during the pandemic and they're reopening right now. So mo ni si Ma'am Bim, diba? Ayan. Thank you for welcoming us to Choobi Choobi. Ito mo name, ma'am? Yes, taga Oslob. Taga Oslob ra po siya. Sige, go. Okay, let's go inside. So, they're already serving the food. Oh, dapat ay diri.
Or like big group.
Function?
So our downstairs actually, yeah, for tour groups and functions.
Okay.
We can, we cater to more or less 150 guests downstairs.
Nice.
That we can just we can do buffet style. We can do buffet, yeah, we can do buffet style, and we can also do just ordering on an order basis.
Huge space.
For functions, but if but we can also use this as overflow for
And they also have a boardwalk. This is the boardwalk, guys. And your left side is the Sumilon Island. Sumilon Island over there. Beautiful view over here. And they have a whale shark statue. This is their trademark because it's in Oslob. There you go. Manisha guys. Choobi Choobi Oslob guys. Da. Kanghel! So they're open for functions.
Sometimes you guys really can't decide where you want to eat on the way, because sometimes most restaurants along the highway isn't really familiar, diba? So that's what we really aim, and our goal for this branch is that if you guys decide you want to go on a road trip, you don't need to really worry about the food, because we always deliver the best quality food in Choobi. Yes. Is there any other questions?
Can you please give us a little background as to when this restaurant was opened and then when was it closed? Why?
Actually, we opened maybe a few years before COVID. Now, the reason why the restaurant closed, because actually before COVID, the restaurant here was actually was doing well. Sadly to say, because of COVID, there weren't a lot of people going on trips anymore. And then after that, we got this place also got hit through sa audit. And then because there wasn't any incoming sales, we just decided to close temporarily while the lockdown and pandemic was still ongoing. But once COVID restrictions were a bit less restrictive, we started fixing up the place already. So yeah, that's why we started to do this now. We reopened. I think we did a soft opening a few weeks ago, and then yeah, we did a soft opening, and now we invite you guys here so that you can you guys are familiar with the food. At least you can enjoy the food, because that's really our main selling point here. It's really the view. So you can behind us you can see Maribago. You can also see the clear blue waters. We're slowly working on a small pika menu. So because people who drive south usually come here usually early morning, right? So that they can save time. We want to offer more of a snack menu for customers, so that if they just want to stop by, enjoy, just sit down, enjoy the view during the afternoons, you can always just stay here.
Since the reopens, how will customers
actually, slowly there are people coming back here. But slow and steady. We just recently opened, so that's why we want to do a push for this place talaga, because I firmly believe that this place really offers a very good dining experience to guests, especially out of town restaurants.
Yes. Is it limited
we have foreign visitors coming over actually, because the tourism industry is actually it's coming back there for the whale shark watching. So yeah, there are a lot of foreign guests also coming.
Just to piggyback the question earlier about the Pika Pika, is the Pika Pika available only?
Actually, for now, it's we're working on a menu specifically for here, because for some of our branches we actually close in the afternoons. But we have ongoing projects. I can't really disclose the timeline yet, but we're opening a third branch in Mactan, which is gonna be beachside. It's still under the Choobi Choobi Corporation, so it's gonna be more of a beachside dining experience. I can't say for sure that that place will have the same afternoon menu, but hopefully there will be.
What about for the
Yes, we are fully open during Holy Week to accommodate for this. Sorry. So we're closed. We're closed during the 6th and 7th.
Do you have upcoming event for the Easter Sunday, like Easter egg hunting or something like that for the family and kids?
Right now we don't have any plans for that, because we recently just opened, and then we just really wanted to prioritize on our operations, our food quality. So that's our main priority as of now.
Sir, do you plan to open other out-of-town locations?
Yes, we have ongoing. We have ongoing plans to open one branch in Buluglugan. So that's near Pinamungahan, so the other side of Cebu. And as I said, we have in the works branch opening in Margrette. Another branch opening in Margrette. I'm not entirely familiar because the Buluglugan. Yes. For summer guests, we are currently in the works to come up with summer drinks. So because it's so hot, so we want to offer very special seasonal drinks and shakes. That's really that really isn't available currently available. We don't have a specific timeline for that yet. We are undergoing development.
So once again, if you happen to be in Oslob and you're looking for a place to dine in or simply have snacks, please feel free to check out Choobi Choobi here in Oslob. They're located in front of a school. I think it's an elementary school. And then they don't have access to the beach because they have a boardwalk though, where you can take cool pictures and you can take a picture with their whale shark statue. We'd like to thank the management of Choobi Choobi Oslob for having us, and most especially to Ma'am Bim Espina for inviting BYC or Bisaya YouTubers Club over for the reopening of the Choobi Choobi Oslob branch. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next vlog, lovies. Bye! Okay guys, this is Jen from
Panoy Santiaras and No Drama Mama.
Okay, and then Mike from
Angel Piloton.
Kaanghel Piloton.
Support locals, guys.
James Samosa of Support Locals, and iya po tapos si Harold from the same page. Kung tapat
From
si
Bisaya YouTubers Club, Dylan Griffith.
isulti dyan ang BYC ha.
Diyan wala, mga plastic, mga...
Okay lang ka na may t-shirt oh.
Nasa akong heart.